Microcharacter inkjet machine simple cleaning operation video. Before cleaning, the machine must be in the state of no ink supply or power off. First, take out the container for cleaning agent. Then loosen the screw on the nozzle, and then pull out the nozzle. Click Cipher, then select Normal User, and enter lowercase dj. Then click Maintain, and then enable Flush Nozzle. Then take out the detergent. First, rinse the chamber component inside the circle in the video. Note that the components on the lines in the video should not be rinsed, and those below the lines can be rinsed. When the chamber components are flushed almost completely, the flush nozzle can be turned off. Rinse the negative electrode plate in the high voltage plate in the middle again. And then you flush the recycling tube underneath. After rinsing out the residual ink, it will be ready. Then take out the wash bowl and blow dry on the area with residual cleaning agent. Blow dry, put the nozzle back in, and tighten the screws. Again,